Hi there, and welcome to Dartmoor. As you can see, we're at Postbridge, filming the Clapper Bridge, and out for a day walk today, staying in Postbridge. So we thought we'd walk up the East Dart to the Grey Wethers double stone circles, and there's obviously a camera crew over there doing some filming as well. Seem like they're doing a lot of standing around and talking and not actually much action. They're filming for American TV network. They were supposed to be filming in France, but unfortunately due to the COVID they couldn't get there. And there is a Clapper Bridge much the same as the one here in Postbridge in France. Right, so we're going to head up this way, up the East Dart. So this is the East Dart. Bit of a disaster this morning. Switched on View Ranger so I could plot my route, and they shut it completely down. Unfortunately my phone is too old to take the new app, so going old school today, using map and compass. So not that it'll be too difficult because we're just following the river really. Right, let's head on up. So this is the view from Sittaford Tor back towards Postbridge and out to the moor. Seen quite a few groups out practicing for 10 tours, and we're just gonna follow up that valley there. Well, it's nice to be back on Dartmoor, and up there is Sittaford Tor. Well, they didn't predict any rain, but it's a bit threatening. Hopefully it'll just blow past. So this is where we leave the East Dart. It goes up through there and then up that valley there, up to the waterfalls, which we might go and see. It's nice, but we're actually going to wander up this valley here, up towards the stone circles. It's a cool little structure. I think it's called a beehive hut, and certainly getting in there is out of the wind, especially as it probably had a roof over the top as well. Right, we'll carry on up this way, up the valley. I think we've made it. I think that's the stone circles there. These are reconstructed stone circles. Yeah, it's a 2-stone circle. Yes, quite impressive. And we'll just wander off and see the other one. It's just next door. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. And there's off to the North Moor up there. I suppose that would be like Waterfall Tor, and I'm not sure if that one right at the back is Cosden. Yeah, I suppose it would be, because that's the forest that goes to around the lake. So that's where you'd come down and you do the perambulation. Right, we're gonna get in behind that wall. We've got some couscous and tuna to have for dinner, and then we might head up towards Sittaford Tor. After being refueled at dinner time, it seemed rude not to come up to Sittaford Tor as we were so close. So there we have it. Oh, what a beautiful day. So nice being back on Dartmoor. And then we're looking up to, is it Quinton's something or the other, and Hanging Stone Hill. What a beautiful day. And lucky with the weather. Looks like it's going to rain, but I think it's just all blowing through. And we've got the reservoir down that way, and down towards Postbridge there. Right, have a quick drink and then decide where we're going to go. I'm thinking that I might want to go down towards the waterfalls, the ones that I did when I did the south to north Dartmoor, the ones that were pretty empty, but I should think with all the rain we've had it would be pretty nice, so that would be cutting off over that way. This is just a little pond and some frog spawn there. Literally in the middle of nowhere. Well, the waterfall is much more impressive than it was last time I came this way. As you can see, some Dartmoor ponies facing out of the wind. So just left the waterfall and we're going to just head along the river, along that path there, back to Postbridge. So this is the grass. That's everywhere. So dry. Put a match to that and it go up. You can see why there was that big fire just the other side of Christmas. It's just so dry. You have to be careful with your stoves, and that's why there's no fires allowed on Dartmoor, I guess. Just heading up the track to the car park at Postbridge after a really nice day walking. Quite chilly in the wind, but generally it's okay, not too cold. Quite boggy underfoot in places. It's coming into Postbridge and a little post office and store. Let's cross the road and head off to the Clapper Bridge. Well, here we are back at the Clapper Bridge at Postbridge after our walk today. Camera crew have gone. I hope you've enjoyed the walk. I certainly did. It's nice to get out on Dartmoor again, and it looks like it's going to be another nice day tomorrow, so we're going to get out and walk then. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.